Dirty South, can y'all really feel me? Feel us. East Coast, feel me? Feel us. West. Dirty South.
Hey guys, it's your girl Mia Ashanti and I'm back with another video. So today I'm going to be showing you guys my updated wash and go routine. It is going into the winter season and this is the routine that I've been using pretty much for the past year that I've been loving. So I always start off with water. I typically like to use warm water and use the Mango Moisturizing Cream for my hair care line main nutrients. I like to use the moisturizing cream because it helps me retain my moisture a little bit better. My wash and goes last longer when I moisturize. I'm just going to detangle and then I'm going to go in with the Mold and Hold Foam and Mousse. This is also from my hair care line main nutrients. Y'all can use the code CEO for 15% off your purchase. So I'm going to put this mousse throughout my hair. I apologize, the camera was not focusing, but later on in the video it'll be a little bit better. So I'm breaking this product through my hair. I used to do the shingling method like very heavily, but lately I haven't been doing it too much. I'll go through like some curls. You can see me right now like touching some up just to make sure they're covered, but I don't really shingle as much as I used to. So I'm going to continue the same steps, going in, applying that warm water, my moisturizing cream, and then the mousse.
Tell the world, oh boy, see I'm trusting you with my heart, my soul. I probably shouldn't let you, but if I let this go, you can move right onto my love. I hope you're responsible. So not just say bye. Sit my love, easy your way. Something good, good. Say yes or say no, 'cause I really need somebody. Tell me you're that somebody.
So once I finish applying product to my hair, I like to sit under a hooded dryer. I have like the Kiss portable dryer. I got it from my local beauty supply store. I sit under that for at least like 20 to 45 minutes, and this just dries my hair for the most part. And then I'll go in with my diffuser, as you see here, and I just want to hit those spots that still are a little damp. So I just want to make sure my roots are fully dry, my ends are dry, any part that still has some kind of dampness to it, because once I fluff my hair, if my hair is still wet, it's not going to hold that shape. So once I feel like my hair is pretty much dry, what I like to do is take that diffuser top off and I'll put on a concentration nozzle. I'm not sure if I had it in this particular video, but what I like to do is pull my hair out and just hit my roots. This way it's kind of blow drying my hair a little bit straighter and gives me a little bit more length. So I like to hit the middle of my hair a little bit more so it can stick out. I like to give that round shape, and then at the bottom of my hair I like to pull it down a lot just to give me some more length. And of course, I like to go in with either a pick or a wide tooth comb. I'm going in with a wide tooth comb. I know a lot of people like to only fluff out their roots, but I will fluff out a little bit of the middle of my hair. That way it'll give me that rounder shape. I was never really a fan of having my hair in a bang over my face, but I don't know, as of lately I've been doing it because I kind of like the shape. My hair was seeming a little bit longer today, so I decided to flip it back and add bobby pins just so my bang will sit up a little bit higher. I didn't like that it was right over my eyes, but I guess that means my hair is growing, so that's a good thing. That's me checking myself out in the mirror. I'm loving the shape. I'm loving it. If you like content like this, make sure you like, comment, and subscribe, and I'll see y'all in my next video. Thank you so much for watching. More content on the way.